Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and redeem Air Rewards points on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and redeem Air Rewards points on Air Arabia. So first of all, visit the Air Arabia website and sign into your Air Rewards account. So as you can see, when you go down here, log into Air Rewards and earn up to 10% cashback as points for every purchase. Click on login there, choose where you are, go to dashboard, and now we are in the Air Rewards, as you can see. So 0 Air Rewards points, as you can see that I have here. When you go there, you need to go and select your flight and of course optional extras. So basically here on the reservations, we have your flight. At the moment I don't have a flight, that's why I cannot show you, but I will tell you what to do. Then continue to the, of course, when you select your flight and any optional extras such as baggage, seats, or meals, continue to the payment page. Choose pay with Air Rewards points. Use the slider to select how many points you want to redeem, and you can pay entirely with points if you have enough or combine points plus cash. Then click confirm redemption and complete the booking by paying any remaining taxes, fees, or balance. And basically that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.